If you're looking to future-proof your gaming or creative setup, the GIGABYTE AORUS GeForce RTX 5090 Master 32G is a top-tier GPU built for serious performance. You'll find the link to this product in the description below. With a massive 32 GB of GDDR7 memory and a 512-bit interface, this card delivers ultra-fast data transfer and seamless performance for 4K and 8K gaming, content creation, and AI development. Equipped with WINDFORCE cooling, triple fans, and a sleek RGB design, it runs cool and quiet even under full load. The RTX 5090 also features DLSS 4, real-time ray tracing, and high-end outputs like DisplayPort 2.1 and HDMI 2.1 for immersive, multi-monitor setups. Whether you're a gamer, 3D artist, or developer, the 5090 Master redefines GPU performance. If you're ready to upgrade to the best, this is the card to get. You'll find the link to this product in the description below.